silence was broken with a song, as the King of everything was looked upon. The shepherds and the wise men didn't know that love had come for us all. And the angels sung of God and His love for us, and the angels sung of peace, for it had come